No, baby. Thank you. Nice. We're gonna see a video coming in. So what's up, JJ?
What's up, man?
What's up, big dog? How you doing, man?
Good.
Oh no! Seriously? Okay. That's what. Mine don't look like that.
Yeah.
Nice. Can we put this and that?
For real.
Well,
I'm sure you could.
it would definitely fit. We got the room for it.
Oh yeah, it's definitely got the line.
So is this is it a V8 or a twin turbo V6?
Twin turbo V6.
Nice.
It's a Cadillac, a 2014 CTS V Sport. Just hit 46,000 miles.
Can I take a look? Oh my lord. This is like, it looks like King Ranch inside.
Pretty much, yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. I like that, man. That is gorgeous. Man, look at that. That is nice. Oh, panoramic sunroof too. Oh yeah. Nice. You don't even have to put a system in one of these, right? It already, it's probably
it's got a Bose in, man, and it's just like, wow. It sounds really good, man.
nice. Let me get a little bit better. Yeah, it's perfect, man. Nice.
If you look under the seats, there's some glow.
Oh, let me check it out. So JJ's got a light show in his truck.
Yeah.
Look at that.
It's dirty right now too.
So they've got these the 4 LED, they're LED controllers, right? But they're like open source, and you can like create like, is that what that is?
Yeah.
So I want to do that for my car, and I don't want to jam Michael Jackson.
Oh, nice. Change your color to whatever color you want.
Oh, nice. Show me. So you control with your phone?
Yeah. And then it goes with music.
Nice.
Or a key.
And it's just it's pretty easy, huh?
Yeah.
Nice. And then you just download it for it. And what is it called?
I got a clean line.
Yeah.
Is yours running?
No, but I have 2 huge ass batteries.
Oh, okay. Is that the original paint?
No.
Oh. I was gonna say, golly, dude. This thing is so nice, dude. This is the yacht, right here.
Spaceship.
The spaceship.
Yeah, I saw you rolling under the underpass. I was like, oh, there you go.
Oh, did you?
Yeah.
Look at this video I took.
Golly, dude, this thing's clean. See, I've never seen it in person.
I've seen it once in the garage.
Got your mats. I saw the video on you unbox the mats. Big old boat.
Look at that thing, man.
I told Blakely, look for the spaceship.
It's got its own zip code.
Yeah, right.
Damn.
I wish my son
Pull up a little bit. Will you see?
Yeah, for sure. Let me do that.
I heard the banging.
Shut up! Oh my god!
dude.
It's got the trunk space for it.
It does. It does. I kept my spare.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
I've got my jack, right?
Nice.
Check it out. This is my auxiliary battery I put in.
Oh wow.
Oh, okay. So that's how you're able to leave
that's
the
what
lights
everybody-
on.
Oh, okay.
That's what I was like, dude.
And then I've got a 275 amp alternator.
Oh, yeah.
Was it hard to find the white walls or was it original?
No, the cokers were easy.
Really?
Yeah. And the spokes worked out perfect, man, because I already had the white walls on the turbines, so I was able to buy the spokes. I got them on sale. It was right before Christmas for less than $1,000.
Oh,
And I just took my tires from my turbines and put them on those.
Yeah.
And I mean, it did it. I mean, look, I made the caps, right here, these.
Yeah.
Okay, all together, everything done, $1,200. I got the cokers for $600, so that's $1,800.
Oh, yeah.
And I mean, that's falling on a budget.
Yeah, right?
Hitting.
Yeah, well, the ones I wanted was $5 grand. They were the American Racing 20s, and I was gonna get the Diamondbacks. But when hey, that is nice. Oh man, I got him on camera too.
Oh, yeah. They don't make it like this.
I was telling Blakely about all our old school cars.
Oh, yeah.
Chocolate and vanilla.
I saw a Fairmont last weekend. It was a wagon.
The black diamond also.
Really?
Check it out. Let me get my backpack. That way I don't have to worry about nobody taking nothing.
Get the bulb out, put it back in there, do it. I was like, dude.
Blake.
Wow. That is beautiful.
I love this blue too.
Oh, that is beautiful. Man, look at the white walls on that one. See, that's what I wanted. But the dealership that I bought from, they put the 2-inch ones on there.
Oh, bro.
This is gorgeous. I think the one that's really popular in this era is the 32. And because it was the one that really signified the car that you could drive from coast to coast. And they proved it when they dumped the B.A.T in it.
Yeah.
They drove it for like 30 days straight. All they did was just change the oil on it. They went from coast to coast. And that was finally it.
Yeah. When
like cars would come right off the assembly line, literally ready to take you across the United States. All you had to do was put oil, gas, and water. And I think that's what it is. We'll find out later. But it's gorgeous.
But it's got the siren horn. Another Impala? Cruising.
That's what I'm talking about.
Yep, that's nice.
Forward,
too.
shitty.
Get the Fox body.
Yeah, I used to love it.
Yeah, I still do, man.
Badass, dude.
Yep.
That's clean.
Look, this I had my first car. Right here.
This was another first.
It wasn't like this though.
When these finally hit their stride in '89. When they came out in '89, they had 225 horsepower, and they were 0 to 60 in 6 seconds.
Oh yeah. Back then that was fast.
Yeah, and that was stock.
Stock, yeah.
Yeah, you come out, and you could roast a tire sideways. Stock.
Yeah.
You know what I mean, without doing nothing to it. And a couple mods here and there.
I was looking for the owner of the Lincoln.
The thing I like about these, man, that Mustang sound, dude.
You need to make you a scrapbook, like the 55 Chevy has. It's a chip, the baby blue one. He's got a scrapbook in his trunk of building it.
Okay. What? And I'm gonna do. Plus, I've got a lot of. I'll show y'all when we go back over there. I've got some of the old brochures and stuff like that. Yeah, I mean. Yep.
Big body.
It looks on the Lincoln.
Yeah, they kind of do look a little small, don't they?
Yeah.
I never noticed that.
Oh, you got the wall lights too.
Yep.
30-inch. Airbrush.
Man,
That's gorgeous.
the GoPro doesn't really get that good of footage at night either.
Look.
Got me. I love the fifth wheel. That's so Houston.
Oh yeah. Without the.
That's clean too, man.
Yeah, this is clean.
That's too much, man. That's perfect. That scares me.
That is clean.
Look at the skirts on it, man.
Yeah.
Janelle.